Here we come to the blue elevators at the MD Anderson Library at University of Houston, Texas. They redid the cabs on this. These used to be Otis. Yep, see that Otis sign right there. This got modernized twice. The first mod had EPCO SSL fixtures until it got fully modernized not long. Doesn't have that classic leveling. I'll switch down at B, we'll get the other elevator car. Like I said, I am a student here, so you have to swipe your card at the turnstile in order to get in. Send this up and we'll get the other car. It's an interesting directional lantern. That other elevator car gotta be working. Finally, here it is. Takes forever to level. Six, these other floors are locked. Door close button does not work. Okay, it should be going any day now. Well, okay then. Looks like there's something wrong with the door timer on this one. I think this is the reason why people say most new elevators built today are not designed to last. All right, let's go back down to 1. The directional lanterns are the chime is so loud, like literally the whole quiet place, people could hear it. There is definitely something wrong with the door timer. I think I can see why people say most elevators installed today are not built to last. And I'm not surprised. I'm definitely not going to watch the door close. I'm just going to get right off and end the video because there's really nothing too exciting about these elevators. I just only filmed these elevators just in case I did so. And I forgot to tell you that the Westinghouse elevators on the other side are also modded too. Well, okay. Okay then. It decided to close that time. Let's see if it does it again. Oh, never mind. I think it just left. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.